All right, so I want to talk to you about Originality reports in Google Classroom. This really helps you if you're doing essays and you want to help with plagiarism. So when you're creating an assignment, you want to make sure that this box right here is checked, Originality reports. And in Google, they're going to let you run with the students 3 times per assignment. And so make sure that is checked before, and then you add, make sure you add a Google Doc that they can type in. I just create a copy for every student, and then we'll click Save here. And now I'll go over to the assignment that's been turned in, and you'll notice right here it says there's 7 flagged passages with this specific paper. So when you click on it, you're going to have a window that pops up, and so you'll see the grayed out area is our possible citation issues. So when you click on it, it actually will highlight it and it'll tell you where Google found it as far as the top web match here, and it'll give you an actual citation of the source, which website they found this. So this is pretty cool. This is a good feature that I think will help a lot of English and history teachers or anyone else who's doing a type of essay. So I highly encourage you to do this. I think it'll help you out, save you a lot of time in the long run, and instead of having to use something different, a different source. So quite a cool feature that Google Classroom has done. So hope you like it. Check it out. Good luck.